If you guys need anything else, just let me know.
Hey, kid. I need to ask you something.
Oh. Hey, Aaron. How are you? What can I do for you?
Hey, do you remember the guy who was here the other night? The one whose mom is sick?
Oh, yeah, Jacob. I feel bad for the poor kid.
Hey, would you be able to give me his phone number? I know that goes against your bartender patron confidentiality.
Don't you think he's a little too young for you?
It's not like that. At all. I think I might have figured out a way to help him with his mother's medical procedures.
Oh, wow, that's great.
Mm-hmm.
Unfortunately, I don't have his number, but I can do you one better. He's here. Not you again.